Hello, this is Alexander Cross, criminal attorney here in the San Francisco Bay Area. Be sure to subscribe to our channel if you'd like to learn more about criminal law offices of Cross and Associates. So we received an interesting inquiry here on our YouTube channel. Let's see here. This has to do with theft and domestic violence. Let's see, 5 years ago, I was found guilty for a theft case. I later got married, and last weekend got into an argument with my wife and I hit her. She called the police and I was arrested. Does the previous case harm me? Well, the quick answer is yes, the previous case would harm you because it only took place 5 years ago, and generally speaking, the conviction took place 5 years ago, and any conviction that is 10 years or less will be used against you as a prior. Now, even if it was a conviction that took place more than 10 years ago, it could still affect you if you went to state prison for the offense and or if you received a strike. For instance, you said that it was a theft case. Well, what kind of theft? Was it a petty theft, a burglary, a robbery? Because if we're talking about a felony, such as a burglary or a robbery, well, those would be potential strikes. And you can definitely go to state prison, even without a strike. You can go to state prison for either one of those offenses. And if you have a state prison prior, oh, that will definitely affect you. It will definitely increase it because, especially a robbery is considered a violent crime. Domestic violence, of course, is also considered a violent crime. And if you're now convicted of 2 violent crimes, and heaven forbid you had a strike for that robbery, this new domestic violence case, especially if it gets categorized as a felony, because domestic violence can also be categorized as a misdemeanor or felony. If it gets categorized as a felony, well, then now you're looking at a potential prison prior, with a strike, and that prison prior / strike could lead you into receiving a prison sentence for the domestic violence case that would be 2 times the sentence of what the conventional domestic violence case could be, especially if it's a felony. So yeah, it could dramatically affect you. So we definitely need to know what kind of theft case it was, and more importantly, the type of punishment you received 5 years ago. Generally speaking, any criminal case is priable for 10 years. Regardless, if you'd like to learn more about criminal law here in the San Francisco Bay Area, be sure to subscribe to our channel, Law Offices of Cross and Associates. But if you've been accused of a crime and need representation in court, be sure to give us a call at 1-800-862-7677. Once again, 1-800-862-7677. On our next video, we're going to be discussing somebody who is looking to clean his DUI and drug offender record. So we'll see you on our next video.